Hello from Gardening of Dwensa here in Ireland, and this video is about how to sprout mung beans. Alright, so before we start the video I want to introduce you to someone, and I have with me today Dino, who's come from the UK and is an RHS orchid judge. And he's mad about cooking as well, so tell us about yourself, Dino.
Yeah, so my name is Dino and I'm originally from Bosnia and Herzegovina, but I lived in the UK for 20 years. And as well as loving orchids especially and all plants generally, I also have my own travel company, Real Escape Travel, which specialises in botanical tours and also food and cultural tours, of course. And I'm here for the week helping Rachel in this very hot weather we're having at the moment.
That's a sarcastic comment.
Yeah.
It's absolutely freezing, isn't it?
Yeah, always boiling.
Okay, so when Dino arrived, he discovered to his horrible shock and horror that Beansprouts are not commonly available in Ireland, and as he's an avid cook, he decided to address the problem.
Okay, so I brought these myself from the UK, and as I said, what we've done, we just soaked these overnight, and now they're good and ready to sow. So now we're going to rinse these mung beans. So first of all, we're going to drain them. There we go, just like this. Now you can grow bean sprouts from either soybeans or mung beans. And the main difference is, with mung beans, which is what these are, you get a much smaller and daintier bean sprout.
Right. And the ones you buy in the supermarket normally, Dino, what are they made from?
At least in the UK, they tend to be soybeans predominantly. Mung beans are less common.
Okay.
Yes. And then, I'm guessing it goes in here. And then we have to spread them nice and evenly. Okay, so that looks really nice. Well, there's a few runaway beans in there.
We won't worry too much about that.
No. Alright, and there we go.
So, I guess as with any plant, what we're looking for is water and heat and light to help them germinate?
Yes. Well, we need water and we need heat, but we mustn't have any light, because if there's light, they won't grow.
Okay.
So we have to either cover them or put them somewhere dark.
Okay.
Yeah, where there's no light at all.
All right.
Yeah. And then, so like this. And at this stage, we'll need to cover them.
What about that?
There we go. Absolutely perfect. But we may need to cover the sides because it's clear.
All right.
So.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a bit of tin foil or something.
Yes, or something. Yes, a newspaper or something. Okay, so this will take roughly 6 to 9 days. So what we'll do now, we'll just put this in the final position, which is right here, and a little later we're going to cover this clear side, so there's absolutely no light going in at all. Okay, so it's now been how many days?
Today's Friday, so
4 days, 3 or 4 days.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're going to check our bean sprouts to see how they're doing. Let's just take this off. Oh, and look, they're definitely starting to grow. That's a particularly nice and big one there. So in a few more days, and they're going to be ready to eat.
Excellent. Can't wait to see what you make for us to eat.
This is Dino again, and we're going to be making, well, I'll show you how to make this bean sprout salad with the bean sprouts we grew last week, Rachel and I. And this is a dish from Sichuan and Hunan provinces in southwestern China, usually eaten as a summer food, as like a cold salad with noodles, but because it's nice and spicy, it's good for winter here. And these are the bean sprouts, which myself and Rachel lovingly grew, which you saw last week. So now I'm going to prepare a Chinese bean sprout salad, and this is from southwestern China, specifically from the provinces of Sichuan and Hunan. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to lightly boil them for around 1.5 to 2 minutes, because I want them to remain crunchy, but at the same time not completely raw. Okay, so we've boiled and we've drained the bean sprouts. They've been draining for quite a while, for the reason being that I want all the water to go, otherwise it'll be adding tasteless water to the salad. So they've been, you know, nice and boiled through, but still crunchy. So now we're going to dress the salad, and it's really, really simple. So I've got some coriander here, which I'm going to chop into around 1 centimeter pieces, just like this. Just a rough chop is fine, it doesn't have to be anything too precise. And then I'm going to add, first of all, some salt. And then some light soy sauce, which I need to open.
I just want to add on a note here that everything practically that we're looking at here came out of Dino's suitcase, including the cleaver, the big knife. Isn't that right, Dino? That's
right, I brought it all the way from England. So you should always use light soy sauce for this recipe, because light soy, it's salty and it's thin. The dark soy sauce, that's used for colour because it's thick and treacly. So if you put dark soy in this, you'll get something very thick and treacly and sweet, which is not what we want. This is Sichuanese chili oil from southwestern China. If you can't get this, you can use just ordinary chili oil if there's nothing else. And this is just a sediment from the chili as well. So we'll put 2 teaspoons of that. And then this is black Chinese vinegar, which is not in its original bottle because I didn't want the glass to break. So about 1 tablespoon. This is toasted sesame oil. We're going to put about 1 teaspoon of this. Oh, that's a little bit more than a teaspoon, never mind, but it's very, very nice. Don't use tahini. Tahini is not a substitute for this one. And I've got here some green chili, which we're going to put in. Some red chili. And not too much, I don't want it to be too spicy. Plenty of freshly chopped spring onion. And plenty of coriander. And we'll just give it all a really good mix. And really is that simple. And this tastes really fresh from the herbs, a little bit spicy, so it's good to keep you warm in the winter. And also nice and salty and savoury. Yep. So here is the completed salad, as you can see. You know, really, really simple. Bean sprouts are seen as a bland food, but made this way, they're really something fresh and exciting and full of flavour.
Okay, so that was our video on making bean sprouts and also on cooking. What was that salad called?
Yeah, so this is bean sprout salad, or liang ban douya in Mandarin Chinese.
Okay, and just to let you know that Dino is starting up a YouTube channel, and it's going to be called the Ministry of Botany, is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so we're going to link to that channel up above here on the screen, and also there's a link to Dino's website where he organises his tours to the Balkans.
That's right, yeah, to the Balkans and Myanmar at the moment, and I do both botanical tours, including orchid tours, and also food and cultural tours if there's any foodies watching.
Okay, so do check those out, and thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and also to Dino's.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.